I just would like to extend and express my profound gratitude for all the goodness of God endowed in me, and for all the blessings, immeasurable blessings, even though I'm not worthy of it, but the Lord always make me feel that He is always there. Amen. Thank you for all your prayers. Amen. And thank you for always serving God. Amen. Passionately, I believe your labor is not in vain. Thank you so much. God bless you all. At sa mga kasama kong council, thank you so much for always supporting me all the way and backing me up. Every time I presented the program, you always supporting me. And you think always for the good of the people here in UAE, especially those who are not seeing their faces because of some reasons. Thank you so much, the council, preachers, and of course the choir, Brother Mark, for your leadership, and of course for the untiring devotion of our worship team. The entire UAE, thank you so much. And to you all, hindi ko kayo pwedeng maisa-isa sa mga core teams ng mga various places, sa lahat ng mga youth, dancers, youth, hindi man mga youth, kundi kasama sa mga tuyot. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Pagpalain kayo ni Awel Sedar Joshua.